Hello and welcome to another AY McDonald How-To. My name is Nicole Neuhaus and I am the Natural Gas Product Manager here at AY McDonald. Today we're going to show you how to protect your lubricated meter valve. Now this valve is your primary shutoff between your gas main and your residential meter service. And the reason we want to talk about protecting it today is because we know that a lot of customers use our valves to purge with. And that's what we're going to talk about today is three things. We're going to talk about why you purge, why you shouldn't purge, and if in fact you are still going to purge even though we tell you shouldn't. We're going to show you a way to do it that's going to reduce the likelihood of damaging the valve. So starting at number one, why you purge. We know that before you go live installing the residential meter set, the regulator, and the meter, you want to purge any air and contamination out of the service line from the main, because any contamination, rock metal chips, dirt for example, can damage the regulator and can damage the meter. And you also want to get any air pockets out of there so you get a good pressure test. Now, why you shouldn't purge is pretty much the same reason. You shouldn't purge from the valve because it can also damage the valve, like you can the regulator or the meter. And lastly, now that we've told you why you shouldn't, we know that you still have limited places where you can purge. So we're going to show you the way to do it. So basically, what you have here is you have your service riser. It's full of gas. The valve is in the closed position. So we would recommend that you take the insulated end piece of the nut off of the riser valve so you can take another valve, a sacrificial valve, that you can use over and over again, which has the same type of insulated union nut as the riser valve has. Simply thread it hand tight onto the outlet of the riser valve so you don't need any wrenches. At this point, you've got gas flow to here. The valve is closed, both valves are closed. We're going to open the riser valve completely, so now you've got just a little bit of gas movement to here. So now you're going to purge from the sacrificial valve. You can purge any method you would like. You can go halfway, you can go full, however long it takes to get the contamination of the air out of the line. Once that's done, close the valve. Again, return the riser valve to the closed position. Simply remove the sacrificial valve, and then you take the riser valve insulated end piece and your nipple and finish piping into your regulator. And you're all set to go. Again, I'm Nicole Neuhaus, and thanks for watching this AY McDonald How-To. Still have questions? Give us a call at 1-800-AY-CARES. Stay connected with us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.